In this video today, I just want to show you something. Although it's been a while since I show you my withdrawal proof on this platform called Cstcmine. So today again, I want to make another withdrawal of 66,300 here. So guys, it's not that I have not been withdrawing from these platforms since all these days. I have been withdrawing, although many people on my WhatsApp group and my Telegram group are expecting me to be showing them withdrawal proof every single day, like I used to do it. But since many people have been trying to hack my all my accounts, many people are attempting to scam, to hack my investment accounts, all those platforms that I invest in. So since then, I don't usually show withdrawal proof every time, but I still do and share withdrawal proof anytime I have the chance to do it. So let me show you something. Let me show you that I withdraw every single time on Cstcmine. So if I click on my here on my profile and I click on withdrawal record, you will see that I have withdrawn over 200 and 200,000 700 200 and 200,000 and 200 700. So let me just call it like that, 200,000 and 8,700. So as you can see, and if you check the date, you will see that I withdraw every single day, except Saturday and Sunday, because Saturday and Sunday we don't withdraw on this platform. You will receive your withdrawal. You can't receive your withdrawal. You can see I have been withdrawing all this while on this platform. Again today, if you look at my balance here, you will see that I have 66,395 here, 0.88 kobo. So I want to withdraw it. Let's see if I am going to receive this money or not. I think the money has even increased right now. Okay, 66,463 now. I want to withdraw 66,400. They are going to take that transaction fee of which is charges fee of 18%. So I think I'm going to receive something like 40 something thousand. Let's see. So 66,400. So I'm going to receive 54,400 and 54,448 naira. That is what I'm going to receive. So let me first confirm my account before I make this withdrawal. Yeah, I want to withdraw 66,500 right now because I have seen that another little commission has joined my this thing here. That means I'm going to receive 54,530 now. Okay, let me make the withdrawal success. So right now I will wait for them to release the money to me. So immediately I get the money, I am going to let you guys know immediately. If you look here, you will see that it's on processing right now. Is on processing right now. So immediately I receive this money, I'm going to let you guys to know, and I'm going to show it to you. It will write settlement succeeded. It will write settlement succeeded here. Settlement succeeded. So I'm going to pause this video right now and wait till I receive the alert. Immediately I receive the alert. When I receive the alert, I'm going to play this video again and show it to you and the proof. Okay guys, after waiting for some minutes, or let me say, I don't think it's up to an hour now. So I have received the money. So it's up to, I think it's up to 1 hour now. Up to 1 hour, and I have received the money. If you look here, you will see that it writes settlement succeed. Settlement succeed. You can see all my withdrawal right now as a creator 275,200. Let me show you the money. Let me show it to you. So this is it here. Credit alert of 54,530. So this is it. You can see it coming from Fincra something slash slash slash. I don't want to view everything. So that is it. That is the money, 54,530. Remember, I withdraw 66,500. They take a transaction fee of 18% and I receive 54,530. So guys, CSTC is still paying every single day. They are still paying. They are paying people every day. So if you look up here, you see that my balance has even increased to 1,300. If I want to withdraw again, I can still withdraw, but you can only withdraw once in a day. So guys, that is it. Thank you for watching. If you want to register for Cstcmine, check the description of this video. You see the registration link there. When you register, you can click on mining here. You can click on mining here. Click on mining. So when you click on mining, you will see a lot of their miner machine. Either you click on this list on here, you will see a lot under list, a lot here under purchase, and a lot under CSTC. So you can choose the one you want to go for. So right now, for example, this miner here, this first miner here, if you rent it at the rate of 37,500, it will be giving you 750 daily, but for 180 days it will keep on giving you money every day for 180 days, and it will give you a total of 135,000 naira. Like this second one here, this one is on discount right now. They are giving discount. They are selling this personally normally at 240,000, but right now they are selling it at 120,000. This one will be giving you a daily income of 12,000 naira. Wow, 12,000 naira daily income of 12,000. At the end of everything, you will get a total income of 720,000 in just 2 months. 2 months you will get it, and you can buy up to 5 of it. Up to 5 of it. Right now they are doing discount on this. So again, this one, the normal price is 360,000, and right now they are selling it at 180,000. This one will be generating 180,000. It will be generating daily income of 18,000 naira for you daily, and you will get about 1,080,000 naira in 2 months. In 2 months, normally this platform as last is it has been around for since 2021 now. It's 2 years old, or is 2 years old. This platform is 2 years old. So imagine those people that have been doing it since then till now. Imagine how much they are making. They have been making. Imagine how much they have been making. So imagine. So again, this one again, if you purchase this one at the rate of 17,200, it would be giving you 13,000 naira daily. This one, 48,000 naira, it will be giving you 3,000 naira daily. I think this one, 3,000 naira daily. They have sold this one out already. This 3,500 naira own, they have sold it out already. And this 52,500 naira own will be giving you 1,500 naira daily. For how many days? For good 120 days, and it will generate a total revenue of 180,000 naira for you. 180,000 naira for you. So this is their plan. Again, if you click on purchase up here, or you click here, let's look what is there. So if you click up here, you will see other miner machine here, like this one here. If you purchase this one at the rate of 1,080,000, it will be giving you 21,000 naira for you daily. For how many days? For a good 1 year, 365 days, you will get a total revenue, total income of 7,665,000. 665,000. For VIP people, they are going to get a total revenue income of 8,431,500. Again, if you look at this one, if you purchase this one at the rate of 500,000, it will be giving you 7,200 naira daily. 7,200 naira daily. You are going to get a total income of 2.6 million 200 2.6 million 28,000. This one also, you can check everything on this platform. Again, on their CSTC here, the price of this first one here is 460,000, and it will be giving you 10 CSTC, 10 CSTC daily, 10 CSTC daily. The CSTC is their own token. It's just like our own cryptocurrencies, their own token. So let's see how much that 10 token worth. I think 10 token is about is let me check it. Let me check their CSTC and let's see how much is 10 token. Okay, one token is equal right now. The one token is equal to 154. Let me check something. 10 token. Okay, 10 tokens will be giving you their 10 token is their 10 CSTC is 15,470 right now. One is 1,547 naira right now. So you can check many things. You can use different many ways to make money on this CSTC mine. So guys, that is it for now. That is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do and like this video and subscribe to the channel, and also join my WhatsApp group. I share different opportunities there. I share different updates there where you can on how to make money online and different investment opportunities. So guys, register and start enjoy CSTC. It's 2 years already. This platform is 2 years already, so don't miss this opportunity. Goodbye for now.